Good day everyone! Last time, we discussed what permutation is. And now we're going to talk about permutation of an object taken or at a time. We could determine whether the given situation or example is n taken or at a time.
And if there's a number of selected objects arranged in a few certain order, total number that are present in a set.
Formula for this is expressed in permutation of n and r is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial, or it can be also n permutation r is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. Have your example. There are 10 chefs competing in a cooking contest. In how many ways can they get the first, second, and third place? Before we start solving, we need to find what the n is. So, ang n ay ang total number of objects that are present in a set. So, dun sa problem natin, may kita na ang total number of objects ay ang 10, which is 10 chefs na participant doon sa cooking contest. While yung R naman natin ay ang representation for the number of selected objects doon sa whole number of objects. So doon sa ating problem, ang need daw is first, second, and third. So first, second, and third, so that is 3. So ang naging R natin ay 2, 3. So now that complete na ang ating N and ang ating R, pwede na natin isulat ang solution. Ngayon, gagamitin na natin yung ating usually used formula na permutation n and r is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. So dahil meron na tayong given ng n and r, which is 10 and 3, pwede na natin siyang i-substitute dito sa ating formula. So now that na-substitute na natin yung ating mga given doon sa ating solution, pwede na natin silang isolve. So dapat dito, una nating isosolve ay yung naka-parenthesis. Ano ba naka-parenthesis dito? Ito yung nasa denominator natin, which is in 10 minus 3 factorial. So now that nakuha na natin yung sagot sa ating denominator na 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 factorial, so ngayon naman dito natin i-expanded form yung numerator niya, yung 10 factorial. So yung 10 factorial natin magiging 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 and so on hanggang 1. So in this case, di na natin siya ginawang expanded form yung 7, yung ating denominator, kasi pwede natin siyang i-cancel diretso na. Pero itong nasa taas, hindi natin siya pwedeng hindi expanded form kasi paano natin siya may cancel kapag hindi natin in expanded form. So, in this case, ika-cancel na natin yung 7 and so this. Kasi ang 7 factorial at itong 7 times 6 and times 5 and so on hanggang 1 ay isa lang ang value. So, now ang natira na ngayon ay yung 10 times 9 times 8. So, itong natira na to, i-multiply lang natin siya. And 10 times 9 times 8 is equal to 720. 20 ways para magkaroon ng first and second, third mula doon sa 10 chef ng cooking contest.
The top 5 remaining candidates of a pageant. There are only 2 slots to complete for the finals. How many ways can they be placed in the first and second slot? The first example is evaluate permutation 5 object is taken 2 of the time. The given is n equals to 5 and the value of r is equals to 2. Using this formula is permutation of an object taken r at a time equals n factorial over n minus r factorial. These are the solution. Permutation of 5 objects taken 2 at the time equals 5 factorial over 5 minus 2 factorial. Simplify 5 factorial over 5 minus 2 factorial. So 5 minus 2 factorial become 3 factorial. And then 5 factorial equals 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. We will stop 3 factorial since we have 3 factorial in the denominator. And we will cancel 3 factorial. We are left 5 times 4. So 5 times 4 is equals to 20. So the permutation of 5 objects taken 2 at a time is equal to 20.